Hello, this is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and this is the 2019 Sailfish 360cc. We're up here at the bow. We have a through the stem windlass. Forward seating. Pull out backrests. We have a stereo remote up here at the bow. Speakers. Dry storage. There's a table. We can raise it. We can raise that table all the way up to be a table, or you can bring it up flush with the forward boxes and you have a huge casting platform. The bow of this boat is very big. Now, I'm not very tall. I'm only 5 feet 5 inches tall, but it is a very, very, very large bow. Coffin box. Lots of fish storage in there. Rod holder storage here, all throughout the boat in the gunnels. Nice lounge seating with an armrest on each side, and cup holders throughout this boat as well. As we move aft, we step up here to the helm. And then remember I said I'm only 5 feet 5 inches tall. I have a, they call this the Ferg step. Put this in here and I can stand up. Now, even the short guys can see over the bow of this boat. This boat's powered by triple 300 Yamahas. Has joystick piloting. Yamaha Helmmaster. 3 12-inch Garmin XSVs. Yamaha gauge up above. That's also a Garmin screen as well. That could be a GPS. You have storage in these boxes here. Nice for binoculars or snacks. You have a vent in the windshield. Garmin VHF. Spotlight, Fusion stereo system, controls for your windlass. This boat does have heat and air. Another nice thing about this boat, not everybody's short, so the seat can go back and that step can go up. And you have a real nice cushion for those rough days. Let me show you down below. Let me show you the head. We have a real head in here. It's just below that step. Nice spot for people to lay down. These cushions actually will fill in here, and this is a big area for you to relax, lay down, take a nap on those overnight trips. So it's a nice large console. Moving further aft, this boat does have the dive door, and then we have some additional fish boxes. We have one on port and starboard, both matching. some tackle drawers. Some switches here. Now these are all wash down switches and bait well switches. So anything that has a pump is really here. This boat has a sunshade that's operated by this remote. And this sunshade will come all the way back. Just about to here. So you get a lot of protection. And with this aft facing seat, it's really nice to watch your spread, and it's very, very comfortable when you're relaxed. You have a cup holder here, and if you want to watch what's going on, there's a GPS right here that also is your fish finder, and you can see the action going on. We have additional rod holders here. Spreader lights. There's a lot going on with this boat. Aft seat with a very high backrest. So the need for those bean bags is not necessary for those offshore trips. You don't have to store them anywhere. You're nice and comfortable and very dry, especially with that big bow flare. We have a live well in the transom. As well as another live well under the seat with a cooler. And this is our bilge access. And you have a sea chest there. Very clean. Everything's easily accessible. Back, we have even more rod holders. And there's our triple 300s. Transom door. Freshwater shower for when you come in. Another seat. So with that seat there, this seat here, it's almost like a little family room because you're not always fishing. We have some very, very deep cup holders on this boat. They hold the big tumblers. Look how deep that is. If you're interested in this boat, this is a 2019 Sailfish 360cc. You can contact Jim Ferg at 609-494-2102 or email me at jim.ferg@marinemax.com. Thank you.